What is up, everyone? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about what to do if your AirPod Pros aren't charging, or your AirPods. So I actually ran into this problem recently. If you still have your warranty, I would obviously highly recommend you going to Apple and getting a brand new one rather than implementing this fix. But let's say you never got the warranty, or your warranty ran out, or whatever the case or scenario may be. What you need to do is, if you look at the bottom in, since these are charged wirelessly, the way you need to basically get this fixed is, and it's actually fairly simple, you AirPods at the bottom with like a Clorox wipe. So something like this, you can, just like a gentle rub over here, a gentle rub over here, dry it out with a regular tissue paper, same way, just dry it out over here. And what you need to do is, if you have either a Q-tip or whatever, you can easily just go in and like clean the inside as well, because a lot of times what usually happens is dirt goes inside those areas. So as you can see, I went in, cleaned it. Same over here. You can even roll this up into like a Q-tip type format just to show you. Again, you don't really need a Q-tip. You could just do it similar to this. Just go in, rub it across, and what happens is the insides actually end up getting dirty, and like something clogs it up, the magnetic side of it, which is what essentially causes your AirPods to charge. So as you saw, you plug it in, they magnetize back in, and you can see the AirPods are now charging. You don't need to worry about that, and you're good to go. That's literally all you needed to do, and then you're good to go. I do hope this video was helpful and informative for you guys. If it was, smash that like button. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.